Hello Super Mobile fans, wishing you a great day. Thanks once again for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate your support. The Infinix mobile brand has continuously made a lot of efforts to maintain the prominence in the smartphone business by releasing smartphones with latest technology and innovations into the market. And the Hot 7 is another proof of this prominence. The release of the Hot 6, Hot 6 Pro and Hot 6X last year was a big success for Infinix, although I was confused about the different variants for each models, which made it difficult for some people to easily decide on which to buy. But this is different in the Hot 7 because it has one physical design for all models, except for the camera design and configurations, which I'll talk about soon. Firstly, let's see the unboxing experience the Hot 7 has to offer. Well, nothing really changed. We have all the major accessories in the box, which are the earphone, USB cable, charger, but now the transparent case is hard plastic and there is no SIM injector pin because the back is removable, and you can see that it has 2 micro SIM slots and a dedicated slot for memory card. As usual, as seen in other Hot series, the Hot 7 has a 4000 mAh battery, which from experience lasts up to a day on slightly heavy usage. There is no special upgrade in the Hot 7 processor, as it comes with the same MediaTek 6580 quad-core chipset like the Hot 6, Hot 5, Hot 4 and Hot 2. The Hot 7 has a full view screen with a 1500 by 720p HD Plus notch display and a 6.2 inches display size, just like the Hot 6X. Inside the notch is the 8 megapixel selfie camera with a single LED flash. There is also the proximity sensor and stereo speaker. The Hot 7 has the same 3D direct surround HD dual stereo speakers like the Hot 6 and Hot 6X, so the booming bass sound performance continues with the Hot 7. At the right side are the volume and power buttons, nothing at the left side. At the top is the 3.5mm headphone jack, while the bottom side has only the microphone and micro USB port. Instead of the bottom side, the 7 has its second speaker at the bottom right corner of the back, which means the 7 has both front facing speaker and rear facing speaker, but I prefer front facing speakers only for better sound travel and experience. The major change of the Hot 7 from its predecessors is in its design, color and camera configurations. The 7 comes in 3 color models, which are the Cosmic Purple with black and purple gradient, the Champagne Gold and the Midnight Black. But I believe everyone's favorite should be the Cosmic Purple color because of its shiny, glossy and how the color changes with light exposure. It also has a plastic body material. I also love the camera design with a long vertical bump containing both cameras and dual LED flash, just like the Tecno Camon Hi-Click 2 released in India. The 1GB RAM with 16GB RAM version of the Hot 7 has only a single 30 megapixel f1.8 aperture camera lens, while the 2GB RAM with 16GB RAM version has a dual camera setup, which comprises of a 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel camera lenses for taking better portrait photos. Here are some camera samples which looks good for its price, and as you all know that Infinix has one of the best smartphone cameras in the low budget market. Nice job, Infinix. There is no Hot 7 Pro with 2GB or 3GB RAM version, just like there was no Hot 5 Pro with 2GB RAM or 3GB RAM versions, but Infinix might surprise us in the future. The Hot 7 is the first Infinix smartphone to launch the XOS Honey version 4.1.0 UI out of the box, and like I said in my video on the 06, the XOS Honey version comes with some new exciting features, but I can't tell if the Hot 7 will have all these features. Another thing to note is that, just like the Hot 6, the Hot 7 has the Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition for the 1GB RAM version, while the 2GB RAM version has the normal Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. As for the pricing, The 1GB RAM version of the Hot 7 was launched few days ago in Southeast Asia for a price that is very similar to the price of the Hot 6, which looks fair and quite affordable. So the 2GB RAM version with dual cameras should be about $120, which is about 43,000 naira. In conclusion, there's nothing really spectacular about upgrading to the Hot 7 except you love its new design, color, the XOS Honey 4.1.0 UI, and a slightly better AI cameras. I strongly advise you buy the 2GB RAM version for better multitasking experience because of Infinix SOS RAM management, which makes the 1GB RAM version to lag sometimes. So guys, what do you think about the Hot 7? Is it a must buy for you or just another Infinix Hot series model? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.
Infinix is more than brand, it's a family.
Infinix, the future is now.